Carl's Garage family, the project is down, the project is down. Stay tuned for more. All right, welcome back to another video, guys, with Carl's Garage. And as you can see, we have the vehicle home. We were able to tow it home. They actually wouldn't let me tow it home. They forced us to pay for it to be towed home. So the damage so far is the fender. I don't know. I'm sure it's definitely going to need an alignment. Remember in the past videos, we did inner and outer tie rods. So I'm hoping that none of that broke. Otherwise, I'll have to buy that. We got the front bumper, definitely driver's side headlight, windshield. The dash is cracked because both airbags went off, both seat belts. There is the airbag module underneath the passenger seat that will have to be reset. So I found a great company online. I can send them the both seat belts and the airbag module under the seat, and I think it's like $100 for that to be reset. I found the airbags online. They run about, each one runs about $100, just depends. I'm looking for a Chevy Impala. I've been seeing a couple in my area, and it's like kids with this exact same car, same color white and everything, but their engine blew, and they're asking, I got one guy down to like $1,000 as a parts car, and his entire car is perfect. So I'm gonna add up to see how much everything will cost. You know, with I already actually have the new tires on the way. The new tires will be here soon. Peter's gonna come and help to try to get it to start. So I'm just gonna see how much it'll be if I come here and replace everything and kind of add that up, or if I just buy an entire another car that maybe doesn't run. Maybe either park it here or park it here on the street and then just swap all the parts over to this. I wouldn't be able to swap all the parts over to the one that doesn't run, like do an engine swap or something like that, because all the cars that I've seen don't have a title. So hopefully I find somebody with a title, and then it might be better to just go ahead and swap. So, cause I know the windshield alone is gonna be like $300, whether or not I pull that over from the donor car or not. So I'm just gonna see which one is most cost effective to repairing everything. I still don't know if I'm gonna part it out, because I think that if I part it out, I'll probably make more money, and then I could use that money towards another cash car. I don't know, leave a comment down below in the description on what I should do. Should I part it out, use that money towards another cash car? Or, because I really do like this car, I think because I put so much work into it, I'm kind of like tied to it, you know what I mean? But I at least, at the very least, if I don't fix anything, I at least want to get it started. Because I think that I could sell, if I can get the motor started, then that'll be a huge selling point. I think I can get like $1,200 for the motor, you know, another $600 to $800, probably $800 for the transmission. And then, you know, and then by the time I sell all the doors and everything, I probably could get around $5,000 total for the car, which altogether running, nobody's gonna buy it for $5,000. But I think if I parted everything out, get about $300 to $400 each door. The wheels, this headlight, obviously not the airbags, but the seats on the inside. If somebody needs the seats, everything is really super clean inside. The brakes and everything are brand new. Wheel bearings and everything. Deck lid, I can get that. Rear bumper, rear tail lights. So there's just a lot of things. The radio, there's a lot of things in the car that could still go, even down to like the door handles or even the door glass. You know what I mean? So I think I can get totally I can get about $5,000 for the car if I part it out, but I don't know if I want to. I really like repairing cars. I liked repairing this one, and I'm just gonna see. I'm gonna start I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna start taking everything apart, seeing what. The hood does pop, so that's great. The latch does still work, so that's good. It actually still goes up. As you guys can see, the engine is clean. That engine is super clean. So I started over here, trying to get it started, swap some fuses, still can't get it started. We do have a little bit of the radiator did get pushed forward, but I think it's only because of this over here. Once I start kind of hacking into it, taking all these pieces off, it looks like that this core support was kind of bent here. Now that we got the bumper off, it looks like it might have bent a little bit, so I might have to like put it on the tree and try to pull it out. But if there is like frame damage or anything, then yeah, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and part it out, because again, it has been hit over here, and that's what made it a salvage car. As you can see, this kind of bows out a little bit, but I think that was already there from when it got hit over here, because what made it a salvage car was the car accident over here. But you see coolant still in it, oil still in it, there's no leaks. So I do wanna get my jack and get up underneath there. Remember, it already needed an alignment. So I think once I kind of pull everything off of here, kind of really get in there and look, I see something right there. Something did get crunched a little bit, enough to push that radiator forward, but I don't think that it's anything crazy that I can't maybe strap something up to my Lexus and pull this out, hammer it out or something like that. I don't know, but that's what I'm gonna do. That's kind of the update for the car so far. I'm gonna start working on it, then assessing the damage, and then I'll make another. I think hopefully this rim's not cracked, because this rim does look a little jacked. The headlight still works, so I don't know how the hell this must have fell overnight. I will be taking these out because the electrical still works. Like I said, the engine just won't start, so I'm gonna have Peter come and check that out. But yeah, I'm gonna assess the damage. I'm gonna see how much it'll be to do both airbags, the dash, both seat belts, the windshield, the hood, the fender, the headlight, the bumper, and anything else underneath. And hopefully I can find, as that car goes by, oh, and this little piece right here, hopefully I can find everything white so I don't have to match. You know what I mean? I don't have to color match or anything. Hopefully, like I said, the wheel's not cracked or anything, and then it'll still need an alignment. I'm thinking my dream budget would be $500, but I think anything over that, you know, if it runs, then yeah, it might be worth the $1,000 or the $500. But then again, if I go ahead and clean it up and just make it a smooth part out, I think that might be best. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Like I said, it's just an update. Again, if maybe you're looking for a parts car, let me know. Leave a link in the description down below. Email me at straightoutofcontent@gmail.com, and I will let you guys know. Oh, let me show you guys the inside real quick. That's what it looks like inside. I know how to do that over there. I know how to fix that and get that out. I know how to fix this and get this out. I know how to do the seat belts because I've already done those. And then again, you got to take up the seat here with these 15mm bolts lifted up and the modules under that. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna do all that or if I'm just gonna come out here and take pictures. But let me know down below what I should do, because do I want somebody coming here with a cherry picker and stuff like that in my driveway to remove the engine? Do I want all that, you know, that invasiveness at my house? I don't know. But I'm damn sure not just gonna sell it to a junkyard for $500, because there's still a lot of value in this whole car, especially if I get it started. So let me know, guys, and stay tuned for the next video when I start taking things apart and showing you how far I've come. It looks like, yeah, this right here got bent down. This piece right here definitely got cracked and got bent down. So that might be that core support. I gotta see where that's connected, but that could be a big piece or that could be something simple. I don't know. All right, guys, stay tuned for the next video. Be basic. Peace.